welcome back to my channel. So today is my friend's birthday. So today we are going for his birthday. Yeah.
जा रहे तुम? किधर? कहाँ जा रहे तुम? किधर? हाँ हाँ हाँ
naughty boy. What Harsh? Bye dad.
क्या भाई नो हर्ष किधर है हर्ष और दूसरा हर्ष किधर है उधर है ऐसे
So finally we have reached our destination. First we got a yummy juice to drink. So that's our birthday boy. Happy birthday Reyu. Next we went to play football. We had a lot of fun playing. After some time we were very tired.
Go Harsh, go. Happy to you. Come Aru. Come, let's go there.
Now it's time to cut the cake.
Everyone this side, come on, this side, in front of Reyansh. Who's going to sing happy birthday?
चलो everybody clap.
Clap.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Reyan. Happy birthday to you.
That's it.
May God bless you. May God bless you.
That's why you take it in your hand.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Now whose hands are dirty? Everyone look here. Smile. Jump everyone. Loud, there's no noise.
After a lot of playing and cake cutting, we came back to the table to eat. I hope you like my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy birthday Reyu. Bye. See you in the next one.